So this is the only day I have here to enjoy Warsaw. And here, guys, you can see this hostel. This is Safe Stay Hostel. And let me show you guys here how the bathroom is. So we have like a place to wash the teeth. So we have the WC here. It's very small actually and very hot. And here we have a place for shower. It's nice, it's a very nice place. I think the only problem is that it's very, very hot here. And my room has, I think, 8 people. They have breakfast here, but I didn't like the place. So I will go to a cafeteria. We have the reception here. And let's check it out. They also rent bicycles, which is something interesting and very cheap. Poland is not an expensive country in comparison to the Nordic countries, so this is something very cool. They rent bikes for 9 slots. I don't know how to pronounce their currency. So yeah, that's it. Let me find a place to eat and then enjoy the city. It's a very small city. I mean, it's big, but I don't think there are so many things to be done here. This is the best time for walking. Everybody's sleeping here in Europe. People wake up super late, like 11 a.m. people are waking up. And this is Safe Stay. This is the building of Safe Stay. Looks like it has 4 floors. Yes, it has 4 floors. Let me show you 4. So in the evening, it will be full of people again, people dining and having fun. Let me see what way I will take. The city is so silent right now. Where almost 10 a.m. Almost. It's interesting because while here is very warm, about 30 degrees when it's midday, there in Brazil, my parents, my workmates, they're all living with cold days. The temperature there is under 10 degrees Celsius. So yeah, we are in the winter in Brazil. That's the reason why Sao Paulo is so cold nowadays. But that's only in Sao Paulo and in the south states of Brazil, like Paraná, Santa Catarina, Rio Grande do Sul. Because there are places in Brazil that they are always hot, always. It's hardly to decrease the temperature in these places. So in 15 minutes, the Palace of Culture will open, and then I can go up and see the city from above. I think it will be beautiful. It's a little cloudy today. Yesterday it was so clear, so nice. Jefferson. I like to walk when the streets are empty. It is much better, much easier. Guys, let's wait the guy on the bike and then we can cross here. Flowers everywhere. This is something that I really like because they take care of their city's beauty. It's nice. In other places I went, always there are some people planting flowers and taking care of the city. This is something very cool. This is Warsaw, at least a part of it, during the morning. weird here, the zebra crossing. It's really weird. Here is a nice country, but in comparison to Belarus, I don't know. I think the streets there are greater. At least the weather there is better. And here, comparing to the Baltic states, Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania, I think the Baltic states are better. At least this is the feeling I have. Not only feeling, but yesterday some people were a little stressed in the transit. I know it's normal, but here, especially here, I saw some people like crazy driving. Jubilé. I think the bakery is nearby. It's like a cafeteria. Yes, that's the one. Galleria Wipico, something like that. I hope it's not full. Let's check it out, the food and everything. There are others actually, so we could try others. But let's see this one. It's very historic. The paintings and other decorations.